Good morning. This week I'd like to highlight a ClickUp shortcut, /commands. ClickUp just released the ability to apply a task template directly from the /command, making this useful shortcut even better. You can access the /command from many different places in ClickUp. Each will give you different options depending upon what's applicable. I'm going to start with showing you how to apply a task template. Just click New Task, and instead of typing in the task name, just type in a /. You'll see that this gives you many different options to select. Scroll down to the bottom and click Apply a Template. This will give me the option to apply one of my already created task templates. Everything will be in there, and then I can just click Create Task and adjust as needed. You can also access this feature from in the description. You'll notice that your options do look a little different here, as well as in the comment section. Each giving you different options that you can select right at the click of a button, making it easier and faster to maneuver through ClickUp.